My name's Simon Hinkley. I'm one of the collection managers for terrestrial invertebrates here at Melbourne Museum. My role as a collection manager is to ensure the preservation of the collection for the long term and to make the information contained within the collection as widely available as possible. So in this drawer here we have the orchard swallowtail. Papilio aegeus is the scientific name. This is a beautiful native Australian butterfly species that used to be found predominantly more in the northern parts of Australia, but it does really well in introduced citrus plants. So with the large-scale plantings we've got along the Murray into Victoria, it's moved down and is now found in the suburbs of Melbourne. As you can see, it's a beautiful specimen. The males are these black ones, the females slightly larger and less black. But what's really interesting in this drawer is in the bottom right-hand corner here, we have what's called a gynandromorph. That is, it has characteristics of both the male and the female part of the species. If I cover this wing, you're looking at what appears to be a female butterfly. If I cover the other wing, you can see that it resembles the other males in the drawer. It's a rare example. It's the only butterfly we have in the collection of what I was saying is called a gynandromorph. So one of the fascinating examples that we have here at Melbourne Museum in the collections.